crowds round here. I've got my plans, I've set my pace. Don't try to drag me from my place. I've fought too hard, I've come too far to let your thunder steal my spark. I've got my colors on display. Don't try to wash them all away. Don't rain on my parade. Don't dim the light I've made. I'm marching to my beat, won't shuffle to your feet. I've built this world my way, so don't rain on my parade. Don't rain on my parade. You throw your shade, you cast your doubt, but I'm the one who's shining now. I'll walk through flames, I'll brave the storm. I'll keep on dancing through the swarm. Your whispers break like waves on storm. This heart of mine is all my own. You can't unwrite what I have done. This show of mine has just begun. Don't rain on my parade. Don't dim the light I've made. I'm marching to my beat, won't shuffle to your feet. I've built this world my way, so don't rain on my parade. Don't rain on my parade. You throw your shade, you hold it high. I'll paint my story through the night. And if you try to tear me down, you'll only see me wear the crown. Don't rain on my parade. This stage will never fade. I'm blazing through it all. I'll rise, I'll never fall. I've built this world my way, so don't rain on my parade. The sun will rise, it always does. I'll stand my ground, I'll hold my trust. Don't bring your storm, don't steal my flame. This is my life and I'll proclaim. Don't rain on my parade. Don't rain on my parade. I'll take the sky, I'll hold it high. I'll paint my story through the night. And if you try to tear me down, you'll only see me wear the crown.